Hello, my friends. So now I'm going to show you the Encyclopedia of Reagents for Organic Synthesis, E-EROS. It identifies uses and properties of reagents used in organic synthesis. And you can search and browse reagents. So let's take a look. So the search is at the top of the screen. Click on it. Make sure you're searching this reference work only. And let's look for sulfuric acid. And spelling does count. All right, search. And it might take a minute or two, hopefully not that long. And here we have our article for sulfuric acid. And we have the HTML version, so we can just start scrolling and reading. And things like physical data, melting point, boiling point, density, solubility in water, form supplied in, and preparative method. And then little details about various uses. There is a sections that you can use for navigation purposes. So we can scroll through that. And we can also look at the PDF version to get a sense of how large this is. It's only 4 pages, not bad. And you can see the structures and the references. So how else can we search? So if we go back to the beginning here, there's also a browse A to Z, but I do not find this browse very useful because there are 5,000 results. That might be helpful if you don't know how to spell something, but it could be tedious because you have many, many pages to go through. All right, and I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions, and it's nice to see you. Take care.